Hey, what's up everybody? TL with 710 Performance, and today we're doing something a little bit different. We are going to be doing some different things with the cars. As you'll see here later in the video, we're putting some amber tints on the front headlights. But right now, Jeremy had got me a carbon fiber e-brake handle for my birthday. I love it. It's absolutely amazing. First carbon fiber piece for the 2019 WRX. So we're gonna go ahead and install this carbon fiber piece here tonight, right here on the WRX. So first things first, we're gonna wanna pull this cover off. I could probably use a screwdriver, but it should come off pretty easy. You just get your little key under there so it'll slide off. I'm not pulling, I'm just using it to tuck back behind it where my finger won't fit. That has got one of those pieces at the bottom too.
Yeah.
There we go. Now some people will probably say don't use your key. So now we do need to warm it up. We're gonna warm it up with just a little Harbor Freight heat gun, and we wanna get it so it's warm and it will twist, and then we can go ahead and pull it off. You don't wanna get it too hot. I'm actually keeping it on the low setting. That way it doesn't get too hot. Keep moving it, don't hold it in one place. I can tell that a lot of the glue is right towards the base.
You gotta twist and pull, because if you look at the carbon fiber one, it's almost like there's a key where it's coming. Bam!
There we go.
Hold the carbon fiber up to it. It's pretty much OEM. It just has little finger spots.
Yeah, it kind of does on here too. It basically is the OEM one.
Yep. Figured you'd like it more than the circle ones with metal on it.
Oh yeah, most definitely. So now we should be able to take this and just slide it right on.
You gotta be a tough boy.
Get in a position to get leverage. Okay, let's see, hold up. It's binding up a little bit here. Take your trusty Subaru key. Make sure it's just moved from behind it. We could title this "How to Install Your E-Brake Using Your Key." It's almost up over this edge completely. There we go. Okay.
Oh, you just hit it with your key. Come on, tough man. Oh, doesn't the button stay in whenever you got the e-brake on too? Does that work, or are you gonna go further back?
I'm gonna see if I can go a little bit further back.
Don't do this if you're just a little boy. Have your daddy do it.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
And I do understand why they get the extended buttons.
Yeah.
But it's fine. It pushes in just fine, no issues.
Sweet.
There we go. Carbon fiber e-brake handle. Thank you, bud. I appreciate it. I do.
I drive it sometimes, so I want to put back into it. You should, do you have your phone? No, it's over there. We'll get B-roll of it with the flashlight on. Does it feel good?
Yeah. It's nice. It's just like it was. It's just like in the same spot and everything.
Just a different material too.
Yep.
Nice. Well, that's how you install a OEM carbon fiber e-brake for the 2015 and up Subarus. Less maintenance.
I just want to make sure it's not gonna move. You know what I'm saying? That's my biggest thing. It's slid down far enough. I just want to make sure it doesn't like start jumping and sliding forward.
I don't think it will with how hard you're pushing it.
Yeah, and it slid on like really good, so.
That's a quicker install than the other e-brakes too.
And I will be getting a button here soon for it, so we'll have to
Take it off.
We'll have to go ahead and take it off and then put the button on, which I think does actually extend out a little bit longer. But again, I'm not worried about it. You can push it in just fine. It's easy, it works great.
Nice.
Sweet. And then you see some other nice blue highlights right here. Kind of hard to see with the GoPro, but looking good. We got all those installed today as well. Not much of a installation of those, but yeah, got the car cleaned up, new carbon fiber brake handle on, amber tints on the headlights, which you guys are gonna go see that right now, and of course the carbon fiber. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more Subaru videos and more videos about the Subaru build, go ahead and comment down below. Let us know what you want to see next. We appreciate your time. Fire it up.
Peace. Looks new.
Yes, sir. So we've got these little blackout things here.
Blinker blackouts.
Yep. Amber. It's called an amber tint kit. So it's to tint out that. There's the driver's side. Here's the passenger side. And then there's another driver's side. I guess they're thinking you're gonna mess up on the driver's side.
Huh. Well, then that means we should do the driver's side first.
Microfiber towel.
Sprinklers.
Oh shit, we need to back the car up.
Yeah. Should be good there. Look at that shit box Honda.
Okay, let me get this then. Jeremy says do the driver's side.
Yeah, we got a replacement for it.
I think they accidentally stuck two in there.
Or they forgot to give you the other one. I wonder if it was for the front and the back. No.
Microfiber towel. Make sure it's nice and dry and clean, no lint. Okay. That's the passenger side. And that's the driver's side, just like that.
Quite satisfying.
there's not much to it. Align it to where you want it to go. There you go.
Looks different.
It definitely does. It definitely does. Not good.
It comes up above it.
Does it?
Yeah.
Like that?
About, yeah, looks like, let me just double check. Yeah. Sweet. Now you should go turn the hazards on. Nothing. They're on.
Yeah.
And they're dark.
Yeah, it just blacks them out so you don't see it at night. I like that.
Oh yeah.
I like it. It's just the ambers when you're driving. Yeah, I like that. It gives it a little bit of a different look.
Oh yeah.
If you step back and look at it.
Oh yeah, it looks nice.